Here's Panina standing with Daddy, doing a little dance. We had music on a minute ago. And she's standing with both feet on the ground.
Put some more music on, there's a dance.
Yeah, now we'll have another little dancing session. And she's doing very well. She's holding on to Daddy, and she's not, you know, her feet aren't curved or anything.
And she took a few steps backwards.
She did, yeah, she took a couple steps backwards. Now we're dancing again with Daddy.
Ew, ew, ew. Sail, sail, sail.
Yeah, darling. Wow, this is amazing. She's really doing well. She's really doing, oh. Now she's playing with the chair.
On camera.
Oh my gosh, wow. She stood. On camera, she stood for a second holding on to something.
Look, one hand.
Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. Being spotted by Daddy, of course. But she did it. She stood up. Wow, I need to go watch this video now.